Hi, welcome to the very first unboxing video of Bike Brewers. My name is Ron, I'm the custom content manager for bikebrewers.com. During a recent photo shoot, we were supplied with some helmets from our friends at Beer, the European distributor of Bell helmets. And one of those helmets was a very nice Moto3 helmet in an absolutely fabulous design. So we went back to Bell and said, guys, could you maybe supply us with a helmet so we can do some thorough testing? We only had it for a day, 2 days, which was not enough to really get a good grip on it. So I guess this is it. Let's see what's inside the package. Let's be careful with this. You know, you don't want to spoil your very first unboxing video, obviously. So we'll start at the sides and see what's inside. Let me show this. So there we go. It's like Christmas, isn't it? I don't know how you do boxing videos or unboxing videos, but you know, this being the first, let's see how it works. Well, there is a Bell helmet in there for sure. Nice packaging. That I like. I like the colors as well. Choice of professionals. That's what they say. Here's a glimpse of what's inside. So let's do another opening. What do we see? Something red. Very nice. This we don't need. We'll get rid of it in the right way, don't worry. And we will recycle the carton as well. Now this I like. This is very nice. You know, nice packaging, nice wrap, beautiful bag. Love the logo. Always did. Let's see. Hope you like it as much as we did. So it comes with all sorts of instructions, stickers as well. Very nice. So I hope you like it. When we saw this helmet for the first time, you know, we fell in love with the design, and I wasn't the only one, the rest of the team as well. So that is absolutely phenomenal. You can see here, you know, the sleeves, which are well known to the Moto3 design, the checkered flag, and the red thing on the front, which is really nice. Well, let's give it some thorough testing. Let's give it some thorough testing in the coming weeks, and we look forward to being back with you with some more, maybe video, definitely an article, some nice photos. Hope you like this first unboxing video. Sorry if it was a little bit unprofessional. I tried to, you know, do it in a authentic way. Hope to see you soon, and hope you like the video. Thanks very much. Bye bye.